Hello guys, if you're watching this video, it's probably because you have the flipped edge parity on the 5x5x5 Rubik's Cube. And if that's the case, you came to the right place. What we're going to do is we're going to undo this flipped edge parity. So as I said in the instructional, the first thing that matters is the cube placement. So we want wherever your flipped edge is, you want it to face you. And you want it to be the top middle edge of your front face. So not like this, not like this, not like this. Top, middle, front face. So now all we simply do is apply the algorithm down below. So we're gonna go ahead and apply it. Lowercase r prime, U2, lowercase l, F2, lowercase l prime, F2, lowercase r2, U2, lowercase r, U2, lowercase r prime, U2, F2, lowercase r2. And now we solve the flipped edge. The key to this step is understanding what the heck the algorithm means. If you don't understand what the Rubik's Cube notation is, I have a link down below where I go over every Rubik's Cube notation on every cube. Highly recommend for beginners to watch it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You saw any value, go ahead and like and subscribe. Leave comments down below, feedback, questions, whatever you would like to say. I'm open to it. With that, thank you guys so much. Peace.